Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Simply Earth, which is essential oil recipe box. This month for August, I get a big bonus box. You get that twice a year, so every 6 months, and that comes with all your extras. So here's my actual recipe box for the month, and then these are all the extras that you'll need throughout the year. We have some beeswax, some coconut oil, some almond oil, and some fractionated coconut oil. So that one's liquid. Then we also have 6 of the rollerball containers, and then 6 of the regular containers. So those are for roll-ons, and then these are just normal little dropper containers. So you get that twice a year, and that's always the same stuff. And then this one is the recipe box. It looks like there's some fun stuff in here this month. Let me dig for the cards. So it looks like this month the theme is Candle Artisan. So we have some stickers here for the essential oils and then all the items that you're going to make. And then some recipe cards. This one is a beeswax pillar candle. That looks really cool. That's what that beeswax sheet is for in there. And that recipe has a couple more steps that continue on the back. Then we have a rolled beeswax tapered candle. Same thing with that, continues on the back. Then we have a roll-on, in the moment roll-on recipe. On the back of that card, sneak peek at next month's box. Tells you what essential oils you're getting. Then we have a Liquid Luck Wax Tarts. Can't wait to see what Liquid Luck essential oil, what blend that is. There it is. So it says it's calming and uplifting, but we'll see the extra details here in a moment. So we have that one, peppermint, fir needle, and blood orange, and then it talks about the extras in there, and then it tells you if it's safe for dogs, cats, kids, pregnancy, just general use. Then we have a Reading Nook diffuser blend. On the back of that card is a note from Katie, who's the recipe formulator for Simply Earth. Then the last one is twin twirly candles. Those look cute. And it tells you how to cut it. Very cool. So, we have some beeswax sheets. And these are cute. I wonder if that's for the bottom of the candles when you're forming them. Oh, actually no. They're little silicone leaves. Must have skipped which one those belong to. Try to glance over the card while I'm showing you guys. Oh, these are the Liquid Luck Wax Tarts. Duh, that would make sense. These are really itty bitty and cute. And those go with that. Then we have some string, some beeswax sheets. Several of those in there. That's really cool looking. Then we have the essential oils. So there's blood orange, there's peppermint, which I love, fir needle, which is another one of my favorite, and then Liquid Luck, which is a blend of orange, cassia, amorous, and hoewood. Uplifting will make you feel lucky. That's cool. So that is what came in the August box. It just launched today. So if you guys would like to sign up, I have a link below, and I also have a promo code that will get you a gift card if it's your first time signing up for a subscription. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.